Okay, this says consider the following function h of x equals x to the fourth minus 10 over 5x cubed. Determine if h is even, odd, or neither. Run the test and show the work. So the test for even or odd, if it even doesn't work and odd doesn't work, it's neither. But you just do the same test for even and odd. You're looking to see, since this is h, we're looking to see if h of negative x equals h of x, or if h of negative x equals negative h of x. Okay, so the first one, if it equals the same thing, it's even. If it equals the opposite equation, it's odd. So this is for even, this is for odd. Okay, but you do the same thing for both. You plug in a negative x for all of the x's. So on this one we have h of negative x equals negative x to the fourth minus 10 over 5 times negative x cubed. Okay, simplify it down. So you have at negative x to the fourth is just x to the fourth minus 10 over negative 5x cubed. Okay, so looking at this, it doesn't look like it's all the same, and it doesn't look like it's really all opposite, right? But since you have a positive equation, so this top half is positive, divided by a negative, right? We can pull the negative out. It doesn't come out of both, it just comes out of one, because a positive over a negative gives you a negative. X to the fourth minus 10 over 5x cubed. Okay, so if that makes sense, the only way for this equation, for this expression to be negative right here, is that either the top is negative or the bottom is negative. On this one, our bottom was negative, so we can pull the negative out to the outside. So now I have that my whole thing, h of negative x, equals, the negative of h of x, right? So it's the negative of your original equation. Okay, since that's the case, this is an odd function. Okay, so that's my answer. It's odd. Is h symmetric to the x-axis, y-axis, or origin? If it is, identify which symmetry it has. Okay, so even functions are symmetric to the y-axis. So even, we'll write it, has y-axis symmetry, or is symmetric to the y-axis. Odd is symmetric to the origin. Okay, since we decided this is an odd function, it has origin symmetry. And that is your answer.